Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to do a quick installation of the Ailun glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now I think I picked this up on Amazon. I think it's about 3 pieces for, I think around $10. I'll put the link in the description. I'm not actually sure how much I paid for it, but I think it was around $10 or so. So let's go ahead and open this up now. I already opened up the back, and let's go ahead and take one of these out. And of course inside it has, I believe, 1, 2, 3 pieces. All right. It also comes with your wet wipes. Now I never use these stickers. I don't even know how to use these stickers, so I just ignore them completely. So we have the dry wipes and the wet wipes, and I believe there's a set of 3 of those. All right. So like I said, as far as the stickers, I don't even bother with those. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the wet wipe and wipe this down thoroughly. This is very, very important that you wipe it down thoroughly. All right. Now, should probably also open up the dry wipes at the same time. All right. So make sure you wipe that down and have the dry wipes ready when you do that. And then, so after you wipe with the wet wipes, you just go ahead and wipe it dry. All right. And I like to use both sides. And then make sure that there's no smudges. All right. So that looks nice and clean. All right. Now there might be a smudge right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Okay. All right. Now, is any smudges here? All right. I think we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. And it's very simple. Now, some of these screen protectors, they come with an installation, kind of a tool where you can kind of set the phone in the middle and then just place the screen protector over it, and it just everything lines up. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have it, so this one you have to kind of eyeball and do it yourself. So just start peeling off the back, and I kind of like to turn on the phone just to see where exactly I have to put the screen protector. So you don't want to get it over the camera lens. All right. So you got to just kind of do it slowly without pressing, and then just kind of let go with your fingers, just like that. Okay, now it's a little to the left. Now you can adjust this, or you can just let it, just be. Some of these screen protectors, the way they're cut out, they're going to leave, they're not perfect. So let's try to just take this one off a little bit and see if we can move it. Be careful that you do not break it, because these things are very sensitive. So just lift slowly. All right, because I wanted to move it a little bit to the left. All right. See, it's already stuck on there pretty well. So we're going to go from this side here too. See, we're going to have to do it. See, it's stuck really, really well. So this looks like it's going to do a lot of protection here. See, it's going to protect the phone. But like I said, I didn't put it in perfectly. Put it on perfectly. So I'm going to do it again. And sometimes you have to do it once or twice. Okay, line that up. You want it to be even on both sides. And you don't want it to go over the top over here, because when you put on a case, you don't want it to hit the case. So I think we're going to be okay here. All right. And just kind of drop it down. And that looks like it's going to be as good as it gets. Now you see how now it's all just filling in all the bubbles. This is bubble free. And now look at that. See? So basically you don't really even need to do a lot of flattening here. We'll flatten out the bubbles, but you can see that there's no bubbles here. So would I recommend this screen protector? I mean, very easy to install. Just make sure that you align it correctly. And yeah, it's fine. And then you can actually try a case on, see how it would fit with your case. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our case here, and we're going to put the case on. Sorry about that. So I got the case. I'm going to turn this around, and then we're going to put the case on and see how it works with the case. And kapowie. Perfect. So definitely recommend it. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last. You know, I don't know what the drop protection is, but as far as installing it, it's pretty simple. Just going to take some time to align it, but there it is. All right, guys. So if you guys like this video, don't forget, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed, take care, and see you soon.